Hi, this is Dan from RSF Fireplaces, and today I'm going to be doing a brief unboxing video for our new HB9 blower. This is a brand new blower for us, and it is going to be replacing all of our previous models. So if you have an existing RSF blower, like a HB5N or an HB8, the model that you'll be getting from us in the future is the HB9. So I'll just open up the box here. One of the great things about the HB9 is its new wiring capabilities and its performance. So in the box you'll find everything you need. There we go. Okay. So looking at the blower itself, you can see it's quite a bit different than the previous versions. It is a closed cage, and this design is actually going to help to generate about 10 times more static pressure than our previous blower models. All of the wiring connections on the blower are quick disconnects, as you can see here, so it makes connecting it and disconnecting it very fast. We have a universal mounting plate underneath that can be adjusted depending on which fireplace you're being installed in. So it comes set up to do like an opal, and it's all written in the manual, but you can adjust it to fit a Pearl or a Pearl 3600 or previous models as well. You'll see 2 rubber feet, and there's actually going to be a 3rd rubber foot here shortly on the front as well. So that's the blower and motor. We also have a couple of options for wiring. For the first time ever, we have a 3-prong plug as an option. So when the blower is going to be installed, you'll have the option of either connecting it directly with a 3-prong plug to a outlet box that we're suggesting gets installed underneath the fireplace, or if you have an existing model, or if you want to be able to use your blower with some of our other options, you can use the extra coils. So these little fork connectors are going to be able to connect you to the existing terminal block inside the fireplace. And then whichever option you go with, you're going to use our snap disc. So as you can see, all these little quick disconnects are very easy to use. They just snap together like that. No need to take things apart. Just snap them together. And obviously this is for the speed control. Inside this little bag we have the actual motor itself for the rheostat. So that's going to go with this. And between the fork connectors, the 3-prong plug, and the blower itself, we should be able to do any installation in any RSF unit and have a blower that's going to give you excellent performance. We hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you think.